7 days post-flood in Hoi An. How are things going now, Tanya?
Hoi An is looking very different to what it looked like Wednesday last week when we were flooded in for our third day. We are going to pop in all the footage from the last 3 days in this video. So anything that's in this video has been filmed between the 23rd and the 26th of November 2025. The town is pretty much back to normal. There's very minimal sections of any mud or water still around.
And we've had a bit of rain since last week as well, so it is all washing away now quite quickly. All the boats are back on the river in the night time. The night markets are open.
The street vendors are all up and running. All the attractions are up and open.
So if you're concerned about whether to come to Hoi An, we can definitely say it's open for business again.
Although our Vietnam series of videos on what to eat, what to see, what to do and how to get around all Vietnam won't be out for 6 to 8 weeks.
Please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you can see what else we've been up to.
We'll see you in those videos. See ya.
See you soon.